Tamannaah Bhatia wore this beautiful eye look recently at the Lakme Fashion Week, and I was wondering whether I should try it or no. But today I decided, let's go into it and try it. Why not? What's there to lose? So if you're interested, let's get started with today's video. The first step of this look is to fill in our brows, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in the shade dark brown to do just that. Make sure you're blending in the color so that the brows don't look harsh. And like I say always, create hair-like strokes. To seal the brows in place, use the L'Oreal Brow Lamination Gel. If you've got very unruly brows and they don't stay in place, this is the product for you. I'm using the Hydrating Concealer by House Labs and applying that on the lids. We shall try and keep this look as natural as possible. It gets rid of discoloration really easily. Now with the Soft Glam palette and the shade Sienna, with the Refer O2 brush, which is a flat one, let's apply that on the lid. You can see I'm applying maximum pigment from the bottom going upwards. Back into the same shade, let's deepen out the color slightly. Don't go too heavy-handed because we still want to keep this natural. With the shade Burnt Orange and with the Refer 14 brush, which is slightly dome-like, let's blend that shade into the crease. The aim over here is to blend the color into the skin tone so that it looks more seamless and natural. With the shade Orange Soda and a flat brush, apply that to the center of the lid. This will brighten out the eye just slightly. Back into the shade Burnt Orange and with the Refer 14 brush, let's apply that to the bottom lash line. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content, so please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. Now with the Huda Beauty Creamy Kohl pencil in the shade Very Vanta, let's apply that to the upper lash line. Try to apply a thin line because we'll be smoking it out just slightly later on. And with any smudge brush, let's start smudging it out. Keep it as close to the upper lash line as you can. This step is pretty important. Be gentle on the eyes though. With the shade Noir, which is a black shade, we're going to set that creamy kohl pencil in place. Mix Sienna and Burnt Orange together and blend that into the eyeshadow. Now with the shade Sienna, just apply that onto all the colors, other than the black. With the shade Noir, let's go and apply that to the bottom lash line with a pencil brush. With the Huda Beauty Creamy Kohl pencil, let's focus on tightlining the upper lash line. We won't be applying this to the waterline. With the Maybelline Tattoo Liner in the shade Biscotti Cream, let's apply that to the waterline. This creates the illusion that the eyes are much bigger than what they are. Your eyes will look something like this. This is completely optional that Tamannaah had worn, but this step creates an illusion of extending the eye. And now with the shade glistening, let's apply that to the inner corner. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. After you've curled your lashes, don't forget to apply a lengthening mascara. I'm using the one by L'Oreal. This mascara has got a lovely comb, so it separates out the lashes too without the issue of clumpiness. And here you can see what a wonderful job it's doing. And there you go guys, this is my recreation of Tamannaah Bhatia's Lakme Fashion Week look. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you're informed about every video, and I will see you again in my next video. Thanks so much for watching guys. Have a good one. Bye bye.